Hi guys, it's Wednesday, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on what you're doing today. So, you are on science, so you're watching this video currently, so that's step one. Then it's saying you to go to STEMscopes and complete this assignment. It should look like this: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And then you're going to respond in a paragraph to these questions, in a paragraph. So let's look over here at STEMscopes. Now, your STEMscopes looks different than mine. Remember that. I have the teacher version, you have the kid version. So, looking on here, when you open up, this is all former assignments. Now, as you open, it should tell you assignments that you have. So you need to complete all of them, please. Some of them are late if you have not turned them in yet. So make sure you get those done. But you're looking for, let me find your assignments here. You're looking for this one. So as you open up, you'll have this here to be reading. It's a quick read and a couple questions to answer for me. So get that done, and then the rest of the week you're also going to look at STEMscopes. You have a review game and a post-assessment for me. So make sure you're checking back on this side, okay? It's week 4. We know how to do this. You know the expectations still, so let's get that done. Questions, comments, concerns, make sure you reach out to me. I want to remind you guys a quick way. It's halfway through the week. If you guys have questions and you can't get a hold of me on Class Dojo for whatever reason, or if I haven't reached out, come over here to your inbox, please. Click it, and you can write me a message, and Miss Hudson as well. So you can come here, click compose a new message. I would think you guys put in the teacher, so you can say question, whatever you want to put, and you can, like my version, of course, my version is to you guys, so I can come here and type David, and all these Davids pop up, okay? So since it's my math, there's David's name. So then I can come in here and type him a question, send it, and it'll send to his inbox, okay? So make sure you guys, you have avenues to check in with us and get your stuff turned in and ask your questions. So get Wednesday's work in, sorry, not Tuesdays, Wednesday's work in, and it'll be a good day. Have a good day.